Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is David Gopara Diworan. I'm from Mahir Pasar. Major is Technical Level 1. Friend.
My name is Rahmat Kuranul. My major is Technical Level 1.
Good evening, Doctor.
Good evening. MC, please. What's the problem?
I have had a heavy lecture for the legs today and my throat is very sore.
Are you coughing?
No, Doctor, but I'm always sneezing.
Okay, let me check. Open your mouth. It's nothing serious. You have just got the influenza. I will write prescription for you. Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good evening, doctor.
Good evening. Have a seat, please. What's the problem?
I have a heavy headache for the last days and my throat is very sore.
Are you coughing?
No, but I'm always sneezing.
Oh, let me check. It's nothing serious. You have just good influenza. Alright, listen for you. How are you?
Thank you.
You are welcome.